Okay, so the main verb. So the main verb, the most important part of a sentence. Most important part. Simply because a single verb by itself can be a sentence, just as it is. You can condense a sentence down to its core component, to as few words as possible, and you will simply get a verb. He ran, that can be a sentence, but run can be a sentence. Run. She sings, sing, sing. Listen, watch, and beyond. So verbs can describe an action or a state. So an action, doing something, something happening, and a state like being. A state of being, sad or happy, for example. And they link a subject, so who the sentence is about, who, and object, what. So they link the subject, who the sentence is about, to an object, what the sentence is about. So I read, that's the verb, my book. So I, subject, book, object, book. I read my book. They, subject, watch, verb, watch, they look, films, object, films. And again, a sentence, if you get rid of all the words in a sentence, what the fewest amount of words you can make a sentence with is simply the verb. So this one you can just say read. Read. Here, watch. And people will know what you're talking about depending on where they are and what they're doing, the context. I read my book. I read my book. I read. I read. 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 They watch films. They watch. Watch. Very good. Okay. Let's keep going.